Efficient use of energy in the 21st century is unthinkable without power electronics. Its main function is transformation and distribution, and to solve these problems efficiently, electronics must be intellectual. At present, power electronic devices, which were previously considered transistors and thyristors, are harmoniously combined with microprocessor technology. Thus, the term intellectual power electronics came to be. Converter equipment is vital for industrial and transport electric drivers, regulated by power converter technology to drive electric transport regeneratively, breaking energy savings of up to 30% of energy. Development in this area has long been actively pursued at Tusor. Tusor has created manufacturing systems of mobile communication facilities with high electric range, MHD pump control systems developed for large-scale industry, and more, such as projects in intellectual power electronics for military aircraft engineering. There are 3 research and development projects relating to electricity supply systems based on products of intellectual power electronics for aircrafts. The Institute of Automation and Electrical Mechanics for many years has created ground-based complexes for pre-launch text power systems for spacecrafts, as well as control measurement systems for thermal vacuum, thermal balance, and treatment of onboard facilities of their components. Such systems allow testing of airborne vehicles under conditions similar to those of outer space. All measurement and control functions for various load simulators are automated by this system. Equipment includes simulators of solar and accumulator batteries. These devices are almost impossible to simulate on the Earth. Such systems can seriously speed up the testing and launch of spacecrafts. The customers of this equipment are the main contractors of Russia's space program. This equipment is supplied to Russia's space launch centers and NASA. In Russia, Tusor has no competitor in this area. Over the last 3 decades, Tom's complexes have tested and launched into space more than 1,000 spacecrafts. Another important area of this institute is the development and manufacturing of high-frequency induction heating installations. This equipment is capable of producing such technological operations as heating before welding, thermal treatment of welds, heating before plastic deformation, and hardening. Some of the produced units are unique with no equivalent on the market. This equipment is in use in more than 11 countries and is protected by 60 patents. On the average, the company receives about 5 patents per invention in a year. These installations are widely used by the railroad, as well as the energy sector, metal treatment, machine building, oil and gas complexes, and chemical industry. In 2007, a special complex was developed for on-site thermal treatment of welded joints of rails. There is no other equipment as this in the world in terms of functional mass and size indicators. Requests for R&D comes from all over Russia and abroad. The scale of production is up to 300 systems per year. More than 2,000 systems have been put into operation since the start of production. At present, about 80 different productions are manufactured for various applications.